Gossip, I'm Brooke Bergstaller. Well, kind of serves you right, Phil Robertson. The star of A&E's hit series Duck Dynasty has been yanked off the show indefinitely following some pretty offensive remarks. The cable network condemned the 67-year-old for his anti-gay commentary that he shared with GQ in a recent interview. In an official statement, A&E said, "We are extremely disappointed to have read Phil Robertson's comments in GQ, which are based on his own personal beliefs and are not reflected in the series Duck Dynasty. His personal views in no way reflect those of A&E Networks, who have always been strong supporters and champions of the LGBT community." Was what Robertson said really so wrong? Well, you tell me. He told the magazine, "It seems like, to me, a vagina, as a man, would be more desirable than a man's anus. That's just me. I'm just thinking there's more there." He continued, "She's got more to offer. I mean, come on, dudes, you know what I'm saying? But hey, sin? It's not logical. My man, it's just not logical." He then took his eyebrow-raising homophobia to the next level when he explained what kinds of behavior he considers sinful. Start with homosexual behavior and morph out from there. Bestiality, sleeping around with this woman and that woman and that woman and those men. I myself am a product of the 60s. I centered my life around sex, drugs, and rock and roll until I hit rock bottom and accepted Jesus as my savior. My mission today is to go forth and tell people about why I follow Christ and also what the Bible teaches. And part of that teaching is that men and women are meant to be together. Saving his ass just a little, he wrapped up his interview by saying, "However, I would never treat anyone with disrespect just because they are different from me. We are all created by the Almighty, and like Him, I love all of humanity. We would all be better off if we loved God and loved each other." That's right, Phil. So that would include people of all different sexual orientations. And if you consider homosexuality sinful, I don't even want to know what you think of some of the stuff I do. Thank you. Thanks for watching The Hollywood Gossip. I'm Brooke Bergstaller.